Welcome! This is the main interface where you will engage and complete one or more challenges. The arrangement of the tabs you see may appear slightly different than in this video. This is because content creators can set different layouts depending on their preference. However, you as the learner can also adjust the layout to suit your needs or learning style. Simply click and drag any of the tabs to the area of your choice. Click and drag the gray lines to adjust the tabs to your preferred width. Let's take a look at the control options. Stop and exit, or restart the track at any time by selecting the buttons here. Keep in mind, you will lose all progress if you select these options. The Overview button provides information about the track we are completing. The Invite Details button brings us to the track invite. Click on the Progress button to track your progress across challenges. You can navigate between the challenges listed by selecting View or Skip. Skipping challenges solves them automatically, and you can't undo solved challenges unless you restart the track. The Instructions panel contains all of the instructions and tasks provided to you to complete each challenge. Click Hide Instructions in the upper right to remove this panel from your view. View Notes expands the Notes panel. This panel will contain any extra instructions or context to help you complete your challenge, so be sure to check it out before you begin. The other panels in the interface contain tabs. These tabs consist of the different items that you will need to interact with to complete your tasks. For this example, the tabs include a terminal, a code editor, and a web application. Navigate back and forth between them by clicking on their title. If you need to refresh the tabs at any time, click on the small circle arrow to the upper right. Follow the steps provided to you in the Instructions panel. Some instructions contain expandable sections. Click on the arrows to expand or hide tasks as you complete them. Some tasks will require you to input some code to proceed to the next step. Use the Copy Code icon to easily copy and paste any code snippets. Click the Run icon to insert and run the code automatically. The Check button at the bottom means that Instruqt needs to check that you've completed the steps properly before moving on to the next challenge. When you've completed a step, click the Check button to check your work. If Instruqt finds that something is not completed correctly, it will prompt you with a warning message. If you see this warning, fix the issue and use the check button as many times as necessary until a green check appears on the screen to show you've completed it properly. Don't be shy, check your work as often as you need. Sometimes no check is necessary. In this case, simply click the Next button to move on to the next challenge. A Skip button will solve the challenge for you automatically. Keep in mind, you can't undo solved challenges unless you restart. Now get to learning and have fun!